Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Have you studied chapter 3? Have you done your homework, children? So today we are going to continue with the chapter 3. Okay, remaining topics we have seen. What are the topics we have learned in chapter 3? We have learned the definition of factors and multiples. Then we have seen prime numbers, composite numbers, and now we know to find the factors and multiples. So today we are going to continue with the exercise problems. And the new topic, we are going to see the new topic. What is the new topic today we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about common multiples and common factors. Okay, let's begin the session. Today we're gonna see a new topic from chapter 3. What is that topic, children? Common factors and common multiples. So already we have learned about factors and multiples. We have learned the definition of factors and multiples, and based on that we have seen many problems. Now we're gonna find the common factors and common multiples. So read the definition, children. Factors that are common to two or more numbers are called common factors. So some numbers will be common, right? The factors will be common. So that numbers are known as common factors. So look at here, children, what example I have given. So factors of 6, factors of 18 and factors of 30. So some numbers, some factors will be common. So look at here for 6. When you divide 6 by 1, you are getting the remainder 0. 6 divided by 1. So 1 6 is 6, right? So we'll write here 6 0. Right? When you get the remainder 0, this 1 is known as the factor, right? This 1 is known as the factor. So like this, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, and 6 is a factor. Then factors of 18, when you divide 18 by 1, 1 and 18 are the common factors for all numbers, right? So then 18 divided by 2, we'll get the remainder 0. Then 18 divided by 3, we'll get the remainder as 0. Then 18 divided by 6, yes, we'll get the remainder 0. So 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Same way for 30. 30 is divisible by 1, 30 is divisible by 2, 30 is divisible by 3, 30 is divisible by 6, then divisible by 10, then 15, 30. So from these numbers, what are the numbers you have common, children? I have given in yellow color. Okay. So for 1, for 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. Now look at the 18, children. Look at the 18. You have more factors, right? You have more factors. Can you see here? 1, 3, 2, 6, 9, 18. Can you see here, children? So here 1 which is present in 6. The same way 2 it is also there in 18. 3 also it is present in 18. 6 also it is present in 18. But 9 and 18 is only the factors of 18. So we leave there. So now check it for 30. Here also we have 1, 2 and 3, 6. So what are the common factors, children? 1, 2, 3, 6 are the common factors. Now understood what do you mean by common factors? First write the, like what we have exercise 3.1. Do you remember, children? Just find the factors for a number. First you write down the factors for the number. Okay. First you read the question and write the factors for the given number. So here for 6 you need to find the factors. Here for 6 you write the factors first, then for 18 you write it down, and 30 also. First you write down the factors. Like what we have, like exercise 3.1, what are the problems we have done? Finding the factors. The same way you write down the factors first. Next you compare it. What are the numbers common? Same numbers present in the 3 set. Here what are the example given? 6, 18 and 30. So find out what are the factors, same factors we found at 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. For easy identification I have given here different color. So then you can write 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. Understood children? So it's very easy. Very easy. Like first you want to write down the factors, then check the common numbers and write it down. Okay children, is it clear for you? The next heading is common multiples. So example, first I'll explain, okay, then I'll read the definitions. So first one they are asking, first example is they are asking to write the multiples of 3. So I'll say easy step children. If they are asking to write the multiples of 3, write the 3 table, okay. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Look at here, check it here my dear children. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. Like continuation, you write it down. Okay, sometimes they'll mention write the 10 multiples of 6 means you can stop till 10. If they're asking write 15 multiples means write it down. Okay children, so write the multiples means you just keep in mind write the tables, then it is easy, you will not forget. Okay. The same way do it for the next one. Multiples of 4. 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Like they just write it down the table. Here they did not mention, some question they'll mention it like write the first 3 multiples of 3. Otherwise write any 10 multiples of 3. Like that they'll mention in the question means according to the question you write it down the answer. Okay. Here they did not mention anything. Just write the multiples of 3. So you can just write till 10 and just put a dot continuation. Okay, like this you can write it down. So multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers, if they are having common multiples, their factors means we will divide and find out, right? Then we will find out which are the factors common, we'll write it down. Here you first you write down the multiples, then you're gonna check whether you have a common multiples or not. Here check it down. Here 4 3s are 12. You have here 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Here 4 3s are 12 and here 3 4s are 12. So you have 12 common, right? Next check it out. You have 24 common. Okay. Like this you want to find out the common multiples. First what you want to do children? First you want to write down the multiples. Okay. First you write down the multiples. Next you check it whether you have the common multiples or not. If you have, take it down and write it. Okay. So what is the definition of multiples? Multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called common multiples of those given numbers. So if you have the same number common multiples, then that numbers are known as common multiples. If you have the same numbers, multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers. So here you can compare with 2 also. 6 2s are 12. Here you will be having 12 common. So they'll given some particular number. You want to write down the multiples for the given numbers. Then you want to check whether any common multiples are there or not. Understood children? So it's very easy. Like already we have learned factors and multiples in the first exercise. So you know to find out the factors and you know to find the multiples. Now here in the second set, what is the second part in this chapter? You want to find out the common factors and common multiples. So first you have learned to find out the factors and multiples. Now from that you want to find out the common numbers. Okay children. Now we're gonna see the exercise problems. Okay, what is the first question children? Find the common factors of 20 and 28. You want to find the common factors for 20 and 28. So what you want to do first? First you write factors of 20. First you want to write factors of 20. Check it whether 20 like this you want to check it. Divide and see children. Divide and see. 20 divided by 1. All numbers are divided by 1 is a common divisor, right? So you don't want to check it for 1. So 1 and the number itself are the common factors. Already we have learned. Now you want to divide and see for 20. So check it for 5. 20 divided by or 4 or 5. Check it for 4. So 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20, right? Like this you divide and see for each number and find out the factors. Like this you divide and see and find out the factors. Okay. The same way you want to check it for all the numbers. Okay. Like this you want to divide and see. So you know for 20 what are the factors? For all numbers 1 and the number itself for the factor, right? So 1 and the number itself 20. Here also 1 and 28. Right children? So look at here. 1 for 20 what are the factors you're having children? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now for 28 check it. You have 1, 2, 4, 7, 28 and 14. Okay, 14 and 28. So you have arranged in ascending order children. So 1 for 28 what are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So these are the factors of 28. Now what you want to do? You want to compare, right? Whether any common factors are there or not. So can you see here 1, 2 and 4 are common in both. For 20 and 28 you have the common factors 1, 2 and 4. I have given in red color for easy identification. So what are the common factors? So therefore the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. The second question is you want to find the common factors for 15 and 25. So children, I'll say one thing. If you know the tables, finding the factors is very easy. You don't want to divide and see for each numbers. If you know the tables, for example, 15 means you here 15. You know 3 5s are 15. So what are the factors? 3 and 5. So for every number, 1 and the number itself is a factor, right? That you keep it in your mind and find out the remaining. 3 5s are 15. So then any other possible? No. So what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Write in ascending order, then it will be easy to identify. Okay, then for 25, so you know 5 5s are 25. So already you know 1 and 25 are the factors, then remaining 5, because 5 5 means you want to write only 1 5. So 1 comma 5 comma 25. Any other factors is it possible? Check your multiplication table, check in your mind. No, you don't have. So it is very easy children, right? So you don't want to do the division for each and everything. If you are thorough with the tables, it is easy to find out the factors. Okay, this is a easy trick. So keep on learning. Daily you keep on learning the tables. Daily half an hour you learn the tables. Daily. Otherwise 15 minutes enough. Daily revise 15 minutes your multiplication table. Okay children, so today onwards you start. Those who did not start learning your multiplication table, please start learning from today onwards. Okay children, if you know the tables, this chapter is very easy. You don't want to divide and see and find the factors for every numbers. For some numbers, easily you can find out the factors by checking your multiplication table. Okay children, so here what are the factors for 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. For 25, 1, 5 and 25. Now find out the common factors 1 and 5. In 15 you have 1 and 5. The same way for 25 also you have 1 and 5. Therefore the common factors are 1 and 5. Is it very easy children? Can you understand this topic? It's very easy, right? So what you gonna do today? You're gonna learn multiplication table today onwards. Every day 15 minutes you're gonna learn your multiplication table. Okay children, now let's see the next problem. The next problem, you want to find the factors for three numbers. So what are the numbers children? 4, 8 and 12. You want to find the factors for three numbers. What are the question? 4, 8 and 12. So now write down the factors of 4. So 1, 4 is 4. So 1 and 4 are the factors. Then next 2. 4 divided by 2. You know, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So what are the factors? 1, 2 and 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 1 and 4 is divisible by 4. So 2 twos are 4. So easy to find out the factors. So 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. Now for 8, 1 and 8. The next factors can you find out? 4 twos are 8, right? 4 twos are 8. So 8 is divisible by 2 and also 8 is divisible by 4. So what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now factors of 12. Factors of 12. So we can say 1 and 12 are the factors and remaining 6 twos are 12. So 2 and 6 are the factors. Then can you find out, 3 fours are 12, right? So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Try to write in an ascending order, children. When you write down the factors, write down in ascending order. Then is it easy to find out the common factors. Okay, children. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now can you find out the common factors? Yes, right? So what are the common numbers found here? 1, 2 and 4. In 4, 8 and 12 you can find out the common factors 1, 2 and 4. Right? Write it down. Is it easy, children? Just learn the tables, then it will be very easy. Okay, now let's see the next problem. Okay, the next problem we're gonna find out the common multiples. Till now we have learned how to find out the common factors. Now we are gonna find out the common multiples. So common multiple means how you will find, how you will write down the multiples. What did I say, children? A easy method. Just remember it. Write down the tables first. Common multiples, for if they're asking write the common multiples of 2. So write down the table for 2. Then afterwards write down the next multiple. Then find out the common numbers. That will be easy. So here find first 3. This is very important. They have mentioned here find the first 3 common multiples. Okay, this is very important. We want to write down the common multiples of first 3. Okay, find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. So first we gonna write the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Like that, write it down. Write it down minimum 10 to 15 multiples. Okay, children. If you are not getting the answer, then you can continue the remaining multiples. So first you write it down at least for 10. Next, multiples of 8. So write the 8th table. Next, find out whether any common multiples are there. So 6, 12, 18, 24. Yeah, 24 is there, right? Look at here. 24. In 8 also, we have 24. Next, anything 30, 36, 42. Yeah, 48. You have 48 here also. In 8 also you have 48. Next, can you find out 54, 60, 66, 72. Yeah, you have 72. So you got, here you got, easily you got the 3 multiples. If you are not getting, continue for 5 more numbers or 10 more numbers. Till you get the 3 common multiples, you have to write down the multiples for 6 and 8. Here we got the multiples. So you don't want to continue writing the multiples. Okay, children. So find first 3 common multiples. In the question they have mentioned you want to find out the first 3 common multiples. Okay, so write down. First you want to write down the tables. 1 6 3 6 2 6 12 3 6 18, like that we have written till 72. Same way write the multiples for 8. Next you check whether any common multiples are there. So you got here 24, 48 and 72. So what are the first three common multiples 24, 78 and 24, 48 and 72. Okay, children. So sometimes they'll ask write any five common multiples. Then you can write any five. But here can you find out from the given number? Now we have written here till 72 and 88. Whether you are having five common multiples? No. Here we are getting only three common multiples. So till you get the five common multiples, you want to continue writing the tables. Understood, children? Here they are asking write the first three common multiples. So from the we have written till 72 and 88. From in between we got from these numbers we got the common multiples. So if we are asking write first five common multiples, we have only three here, right? So you want to continue, you write the remaining tables and find out the first five common multiples. Okay, children. So this is your activity. Now you wanna now after watching this YouTube class, you want to write multiples of 6, multiples of 8 and find the first 5 common multiples. So now we have found 3. Remaining 2 more multiples you want to find out. Okay, children. Now understood. Now let's see the next problem. The next question is write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So you want to write down the multiples of 3 and 4 and that should be less than 100. So you want to write the multiples till you get the answer less than 100. So here write down 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 3, 7 like that you write it down. So last number 33 into 3 you are getting the answer 99. Now check for 34. 34 you are getting the answer 102. So they are asking to write less than 100. So till 99 we will be writing. The same way you want to write the multiples of 4. So right here the last number is 96. So like that you will be writing the multiples for 3 and 4. Now check it whether you are having the common multiples. Yes. 12. For 3 and 4 you have 12 as a common multiple, then 24, then 36, next 48, then 60, then 72, 84 and 96. So for the multiples of 3 I have given the yellow color the numbers which are common, and for the multiples of 4 I have given red color for easy identification. Okay, children. So here what you want to do first? You want to write down the multiples of 3 and 4. So they have mentioned here you want to write the multiples less than 100. So till less than 100 we will first write the multiples. Then we will check whether the numbers you have common numbers or not. If you have the common numbers, write it down. So what are the common multiples less than 100 you got for 3 and 4? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Okay, children. So again I am saying please learn the tables. So in this chapter you want to learn the tables because all problems based upon tables and division. If you know the tables, then this chapter is very easy. So today onwards you will be studying tables for 15 minutes. Daily you will be studying the tables for 15 minutes. Okay, children. Remaining exercise problems we will see in the next class. So please learn your topics. Please do your daily homeworks. Okay, children. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.